So guys, yesterday a video was trending all over social media. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BVI Channel 1 Plus. I'm your girl Bella. On this particular episode of what is happening, my dear, a lot is happening in Nigeria, as I'm telling you. Okay, a man that they say is a policeman unalived a young unarmed Nigerian boy, and this video raised a lot of controversy all over the country, all over social media. You see why your voice is needed. You see why social media is very, very powerful. These days, social media in Nigeria is more powerful than even the government. Okay, now the policeman unalived a young Nigerian boy live, and somebody was capturing the video. I'll put the videos up, but there are some things we don't put for. We don't want to flag off YouTube to flag us off. So apparently, the proper authorities have fished out the said police people that unalived the young man, and they are you know, they don't catch them. They say they don't catch them. Take a look at this video.
Now my friend, I deceived me. You just not play, bro. You just not play. I'm okay, my friend. I don't know anything concerned. I don't know anything concerned. I don't know anything concerned. I beg. I don't know anything concerned. I go carry you go meet I just tell something like this. I go carry you go meet the officer. I'll carry you go meet the officer. Officer. I'll carry you go meet the officer, man. I'll carry you go meet the officer. Officer, I don't know. I don't know, officer. Officer, I don't know. Baba, officer, I don't know.
You see this country, now make most Nigerians they run away from this Nigeria. Okay, so nobody say them say I need to show you, and you need to hear from the horse's mouth, because this is why I say it from the beginning of this video. Say, you see social media, you see the power of capturing things. If you see something, you need to say something. If to say the person that where they video the thing, know the video the thing, people not gonna know what in they up. This video started from Harrison Gwamishu, because I will put the videos where Harrison they talk waiting happen from the get-go. See this boy go collect person Waybill. Anyway, I don't need to say much. Listen to this video and see waiting Harrison talk, how they take explain waiting happen. Take a look at it.
Like they send something. They send like when person send you Waybill. Don't tell person I bet people pick up Waybill for back. I will see the boy go pick up. Okay, now why they say make you carry their go sapele? Yes. So this Usman, so let's say now bad person. Maybe you know what made them know get the Waybill. Maybe I'm telling you now. What the guy? I'm here. So the guy say carry me go sapele. So now that Waybill. So what did they send? I come. My friend send me. My friend send that. I go send him message say Peter baby go pick up Waybill for God is good. I go free pack. Now what this boy go do so? As pick up Waybill so where they go now they come hold am. Because if I say you go Waybill, you know go open and night, you don't stay inside. And the boy no. So they take this boy now. Okay. So as soon as say they not kill this boy, they can't go station go do investigation. And what don't say they can't go start play. Person will send down. You understand? You say name no Gbegbe. He can't Gbegbe the boy. Marina, so they don't know the kissing. You don't expect where they come. This one, I go be last thing where they kiss. Because you know, it's not too much now. I go keep person where to say, you know, they try open up, tell you, say, see what thing happen. What I explain to you. Now, not only that, after you stand for that place, finish, the people about die, the people inside Siena, not only other officers, there are about 5 of them inside Siena. As they reach the elect command office, where ACP Aliu Shaba the head. I saw this same man again, so Usman constant fire like three shots for station. Come to the boy finally. So it's all early, but don't make the boy come, make the boy talk with him how then take some go collect the baby. The dead go fit talk against you. I want to talk to tell us how they take send down that Waybill. Who send down the Waybill? This Usman. What if now one of the officers send down? Who know now Usman send down say who collect the Waybill? And the whole army just come finish the guy happy. And now so they come out the guy for RRS. So. This Usman? Yes. From RRS they can go Ilan. He work with us before now. Yes. You know say now where them ban stars because of this this is going to happen now.
See the picture.
The same thing now too. Okay. This one, we know what can like you. We not take it lightly at all. The death of this boy. If people don't say that criminal, at least you don't be confused. You say person I send down. Maybe you don't even know whether they want to be inside that place too.
Yes, sir. We must stand in solidarity.
For that way be now.
Men are now.
Yeah.
Nobody keep on worrying.
Yeah.
You know that we must stand in solidarity now. I don't stand for social media so stuff.
Okay, Samo, they don't talk say so. Everyone quiet yesterday.
Now, so they don't kill the person yesterday. So
They don't fire and go.
So also we not just
stop.
That's why we don't lock up the matter. No, nah.
Who made that video? Now God will bless you. Who made that video? God will bless you. That God will bless you. And as not hide your face, you come and say, make you share the video for us
God will bless you.
That God will bless you.
We must stop extradition killing in
That God will bless you so that don't have this.
Not the second, the last. No, we're not going to pray for them now. I saw the kill Onyeka for our road now. For our road, I saw the kill Onyeka now. But we not agree. You see this one? I just say no video now. They go say we not agree.
You've heard it from the horse's mouth, okay? They say the authorities, the necessary authorities have catched they have fished out the people.
At hand, which is a very sad issue. Since my 6 years of public relations, this is my most difficult moment, because having an incident that cannot be explained is very difficult. There is no explanation for this. That policeman, I just don't get what I would say was wrong with him. You know, police cannot attribute problem to spirituality, but that may not be far from it, because that's the only explanation that one can give to what he did.
But Mr.
It's the truth.
Why did you? I understand that point, but there's still a lot of issues. Why was his face covered in the release that was put out? We've already seen the officer's face in the video, but in the picture you put out, you covered his face. So people are wondering, are you sure this is the person you took to Abuja? There's a lot of trust to be built. So why cover his face when his face is already?
Not be only to fish out them, but to do for the law to take its course. You know, I will be on the comment section. Let's continue the conversation on the comment section. I'm your girl Bella. Palava, they finish. Peace out.